4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Fix the hand. We did an underarm turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5.
We talked about key points. Forehead height, so we adjust for height here. Okay? Compress in. Her forehead height. Point fingers in the direction of an ascendant.
I torque in leaders, you're a cushion, not a brick wall. We're not an arm fight.
Keep this radius when I turn her. So I bring it out outside here.
Nail my right foot to the floor, more or less. From there, we did an underarm turn, fix the hand. We did a push break with an inside turn for 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Couple things there.
Leaders, foot's off to the right versus back. Okay. Start bringing the hand up on 2.
Notice his fingers are down. He's not making the high 5 hand. A couple of leads were giving me that. I think I'm going to do a tuck to that. Okay. Don't confuse me.
So my fingers are rotated down.
Pin down.
Pin down. I'm going to cross her face. Pick up the back of her away.
Okay, from here we did a throw up for 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. We also did a push break to get to the opposite hand hold. We ended up in my left, his right. We did a push break with an inside turn for 1, prep 2, 3, and 4, bringing her into close for 5 and 6.
We talked about the prep and the spacing. 1, 2, sliding back into the side again.
My center's back, his center's
My
back.
arm is an angle here.
Delaying the step.
So here, here. That's how I move my arm versus here, here. No shoulders. Point the shoulders on here. Arm follows. Going away.
Feel that on my back. Sneak it over. Get too close. Making sure she's uncomfortable. Leads your up on that diagonal. You do a throw up to get out of that. We then added a hip catch to our sugar tuck. 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and triple step, triple step. So a couple things here. We still are keeping the radius at the beginning. As soon as she gets to about here, leaders, this hand is coming to her head, so you can drape it over and drop the hand into the hip. Follows. He's traveled with me. I need to keep moving open. We're going to hold our 6.
I want to keep my left foot inside her left foot. Leaders, if I'm here, I'm going to be like this.
And I'll be here.
My shoulders will be.
Nothing told me to keep moving.
I'll be falling over.
So take a little bigger forward leads.
4, cross, and tap. Create space. Go with me.
Follows. I can either sneak this arm over, or I can take elbow to the ear. Straight elbows don't hurt. I can shampoo down and anchor. I can also do a windmill. If I want to shampoo this one and raise the other, I can do that, or I can windmill. Just make sure when you're coming past his face, I raise it out here and hit those partners, but don't hit his nose. Leaders, if you get hit right here, it's your fault. Okay, that's why you sign the order.
Good.
So you know that you made that elbow there?
My upper body's tilting towards her. We want everyone to be straight.
You know that elbow's coming for you? Make sure you're sneaking it over and keeping a straight spine. Follows on this hip catch. I am not doing this to fill it. And even if you think you're not doing that, you're doing it. I'm going to see almost everybody was doing it. Make sure you get into the knee to get the distance.
Shoulders straight.
Spine is straight, no tips. Okay, so we'll do that to speed. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Don't fall asleep. And triple step, triple step. Leaders, you're pushing off that. You can also.
What do you think about and then pushing?
It's perfectly fine to change the timing of this. 2, 3, and 4. If you did and 5, if you want to accelerate the turn, you can and 5. Then you can step 6. Okay? Both are fine. If your music's fast, you can hold it. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Hold 7. Hit the 8. 8. Triple step. Triple step. Yeah? But try and get it. Over that.
Awesome job. Good.
Good job, guys.
Good job.